Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Google Keep for your Windows devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to download Google Keep into your desktop, you just simply have to open any of your web browser at first. Then after opening the web browser, simply go to the search bar and search for Google Keep for Windows. Just simply tap into this first option that appears after searching that, and then tap into this Try Google Keep option. And after tapping into Try Google Keep, this option will appear besides the Add to Bookmark option. Just simply tap into that, and then you just simply have to tap into this Install button in order to confirm. And after doing this very easy step, Google Keep will successfully be downloaded into your computer. This way, you can very easily download Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.